Back to Diane's channel. Uh, my meal has arrived, and I just want to say thanks to Nene, who has done an excellent job in serving me this evening. Good job. Keep up the good work. I'm well pleased. And guys, let's take a closer look. What did Diane's order? It's the Jamaican rice and peas with steamed Calaloo. And we have some condiments here. Nena, tell me what these are spices?
Yes, spicy.
What's the green one?
Green chili sauce.
Green chili sauce.
Yes. And a tomato gravy.
And tomato?
Gravy.
Tomato gravy.
Yes.
Okay. Well, guys, as they say in Ghana, you're invited. And I'm gonna dig in. And this is it for me for the evening. Do enjoy the rest of your week. Thank you for tuning in. Now share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. God bless.